Hi, my name's Victoria, and I went to the American Girl doll store. This is Rose. She went shopping too. So Rose, you ready to be my model? The first thing that I got is these glasses. They are on sale for $5. These are the glasses that I got her. They're neon. Do you like them, Rose? You do? Great. They also come with a case, and it says American Girl, and it has a star on it. I also got her a watch. It was $8. It has Velcro on it to make it stay on. You wrap it around like this, like 2 times. So Rose, do you like it? You do? Great. Then Rose, she also got her ears pierced. So, as I said, she had this bag. It's a little, it looks like a doll bag, sort of. And the earrings, it comes with this when you get your ears pierced. It comes with 4 earrings, and then she has a pair in her ear. They're blue. And I also got her an earring tree. Yay! So it's wrapped like this, and it also has this sort of phone, and it's an earring tree for her, and the bottom's plastic, like this. There's a little hole, then you slide it in. It says American Girl right there. And, well, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. Bye!